Annabelle.
Hi.
Where are we going today?
Kayaking in the rain.
In the rain. It's not great weather today. Like yesterday, it's quite overcast, but the temperature has dropped a little bit, so it's not as hot, is it?
Yeah.
Annabelle, are you gonna jump off the kayak and go in the sea?
We don't have a goggles.
Yeah, we've misplaced some goggles, so we don't know where they are. So we're going to see if the kayaks will lend us, I don't know, maybe they can lend us some snorkel and goggles. What do you reckon?
We've got snorkel, but we don't have goggles.
Let's try.
So, Annabelle, hiya, this is my kayak buddy. We are hired kayaks for the day. It's not the greatest weather, it's not sunny, but it's perfect for kayaking.
Wet, Daddy.
Well, of course we're going to get wet, we're in the sea.
I got wet before you.
That's because you was in it. So, here they come.
Hi.
Say hi. Yay! And off we go.
So we are on the kayaks. I have got Scaredy Cat with me. Say hi. And there is Daddy and Annabelle. Let's go, Gracie Bay. Oh, I think we might crash into these. Are we going in between the rocks? Okay. Here we go, in between the rocks. She's got to navigate. Oh no, looks like we're going straight for the rocks. Keep going that way. No, we're not. Keep going that side. Oh no. We're just reversing. Oops!
Come on, take us to the beach. Which ones? We're going to the beach. Can you not tell? Come on, Annabelle. That's it. Keep turning. Go. Now to the beach.
Losing team and winning team. I repeat, it's both racing. Oh my god. I am. Oh god, that phone.
That's not what you're filming.
I can't do it anymore. Keep going, you can do it. Keep going.
I mean, who goes kayaking in the rain? Only we would go.
Let's go down, babe.
beautiful. Look at that beautiful island. We're going to our island. This is Tony's place. So yes. Daddy, this is your thing.
This is easy. It's not easy.
We're right now, what's this called?
Where are we, Grace Mary?
We're in right now on a boat thingy.
Kayak.
On a kayak.
What island are you on?
Cody Cay.
How's the weather? Nice and sunny, isn't it?
No, it isn't. Look at the sky. That pink thing over there, that's Mummy, Daddy, and Grace and I. Oh my god, it's so great to see my island again. We are in Cody Bay. It's so fun. You got the snorkeling. Look at it. Wait, can you see it? There we are. We are right now trying to get our boats back to shore. And try and not crash. That's a tall one.
Swimming speed. Wow.
We're gonna pack up in 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's a big wave! Where? This one is super big wave. Your big face is in the camera. Butterfly! We're gonna ride waves today. You ready? Well, I think we have to do it in a wind. Ready? Oh god, that's massive. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.